So today we're here at our local Winco, and we are going to get some of that good old chicken, that good old Winco chicken. Let me tell you about the Winco chicken. You guys know about the Winco chicken? In my opinion, it tastes better than KFC. You get like, for $12, you get like a 10-piece, 9-piece of some fried chicken, baked chicken, side of potato wedges. And man, look at that. I'm telling you, the chicken's popular. Because you got this line. If I was going to get some of that chicken. Everybody's going to get this chicken. Get that line for the chicken. This is the line for the chicken. Tell me about this Winco chicken, guys. It is bomb. It is good. Everybody going to eat this chicken today. I want to wish all the mothers a happy Valentine's Day, and the single mothers out there a happy Valentine's Day. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, great day. As for me, I'm in a line to get me some that fried chicken. I'll give you guys a close-up when we get up there. I'll pause the video for a minute till we get up there. So we're still waiting for a line, still busy, still waiting here, guys. So be patient. We'll be getting in front shortly. And people that like candy, there's a bunch of candy on that wall. For the people that like all the candy. But we're almost up there, guys. As you can tell, we got some chicken up in here. We got some chicken wing, potato wedges. I'm going to get the eight piece right there for $11.58. That's like the best deal, so that's what I'm gonna get. Man, we are next, guys. Potato wedges, chicken wings. Can I get the 8-piece of the chicken meal?
What did you want for your side?
Potato wedges. Ooh, it's gonna go down tonight. Let's go. Get up. I think this chicken's better than KFC.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what most people say.
Yeah, I mean, come on.
I haven't tried it.
8-piece for $12 versus I think they're selling a 9-piece for $21.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's like, nah, this is good. I mean, I like this chicken. It's good. In my opinion, I mean. Got your potato salads, meatballs, potato wedges are bomb. Love the potato wedges. So, but yeah, you guys got it. We got our chicken meal for today. We got potato wedges. We are happy camper, baby. You get even some Hawaiian bread with that. We get the Hawaiian bread with that too. So that'd be good. Well then, take care, guys. Peace.